Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2011 PE Honda CRV. This shape ran from the 3rd month 2007 to the 10th month 2012. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a K24Z1 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an all-wheel drive 6-speed manual transmission. We have the bonnet. We have the left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror, left front door, left rear door, factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel, left rear has a good tyre, a left-hand taillight, tailgate appears to have no damage, has a tidy rear bumper cover with tow bar cutout. We have the right-hand taillight, factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels, right rear has a good tyre. Right-hand rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand front door, right-hand power door mirror, factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels, right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. We have the driver's power window master switch. Has a tidy center console, tidy handbrake lever, tidy 6-speed manual transmission gear lever, factory AC controls, factory single stack CD player head unit, interior mirror, has a tidy left-hand sun visor, a tidy right-hand sun visor, manual transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.